Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I have a lot of exciting news coming for next year. Even near the end of this year, I'm going to be starting. But now that the Sportster Cherry Bomb is complete, if you guys haven't seen that build series, go check it out. I have 3 new projects coming up in the garage for this coming year. And one is a Softail, one is a Dyna, and one is a Sportster, ranging from light modification and customization all the way to a full frame off build. So it's gonna have I'm gonna have lots of content this year. So let's just do a quick tour on the 3 bikes, let you know what the plans are, and then we'll go from there. For those of you who have been following the channel, this is a 2007 Harley Davidson Sportster converted to a 1200 full custom build down to the frame. The entire build series is live. You guys can go watch that. Working on the time-lapse video. I just purchased this thing yesterday. I am super stoked on it. It is a 1993 Harley Davidson Sportster. It has so many cool features, a lot of old school Harley detail. It's got 20,000 kilometers on it, runs great. It has a lot of potential. I'm going to be doing a full custom build. This is going to be hardtailed. It's going to be all chromed out, full new gas tank. Everything is going to be redone on this bike, completely rewired. New oil tank, new rims and tires. It's basically going to be an entire new bike, and it's going to be for me. So I'm going to put a ton of work into this one. So this is going to be the biggest build series of next year. You guys can expect to follow along with that one. I'm going to show you some examples right here of the direction I'm going to go. As you can see from the photos, it is hardtailed. It is going to have a full custom candy, root beer, brown, and cream with chrome, and I'm actually going to do some copper accents. I'm going to convert the engine to 1200. That's the plan, and probably going to full rebuild the engine. Install new SNS carb, new starter. I probably new exhaust, like a chain conversion. Going to go to a chain conversion. New bars, new tank. Springer seat, new rims and tires, all new tins. Going to be a really fun build. So make sure you guys subscribe if you want to follow that one. Next up, we have a 2002 Harley Davidson Softail Deuce. This is one of my best friend's bikes. He's picked it up for a really good deal, and we rode it this summer. He had it on the road all summer, and now we are going to do a bunch of upgrades to the bike, but more of a budget build. We're going to try to make do with a lot of parts we have from spare Dynas that I have in the C-Can. We're going to be replacing at least the rear rim, redoing the fender and the seat, lowering it. Going to be powder coating a ton of parts. It's going to have a gray paint job with awesome black flames, new bars. That's kind of the direction he's going with this. I'm going to be assisting on this bike build. However, Roger's going to be taking the lead on it. So the two of us are going to put this one together in more of a smaller build series. But it should look really cool. So that one's going on. And we're actually starting on this one like right away. And the next one, this is a cool story. I'll show you guys, I'll leave the link to the video in the description, but you can see a short of me giving this bike to another good buddy of mine, Jordan. He trusted me to build my first Harley I'd ever built, and he told me he didn't want to see it, and he let me do whatever I wanted to it, and then I surprised him. So it used to look like this. As you can see, it made a world of a difference, but this was about 4 years ago, and I've definitely come a long way in my skills. So this was the first paint job I ever did, but it's starting to kind of chip away. Didn't have enough clear on it. First powder coating job I did, which the powder coat actually turned out good. So I did bring it down pretty much. I left the engine in the frame, but we re-powder coated the whole front end, put new exhaust on it, new air cleaner, put a new headlight, new bars, painted the bike, put a new seat on it, lowered and chopped the fender. So basically, I'm going to do a very quick makeover on this bike for him. It's the winter time here in Canada, so it's almost winter. So I'm going to be chopping this fender, going to be doing a full custom paint job, one of my the candy metallic paint jobs that I did on the Sporty. I'm going to be doing one here. He loves deep purple. It's an old school bike that inspired him to get riding Harleys. So I'm going to try to do a new school style paint job with old school candy and flames and panels with deep candy purple and black. So I'm pretty sure it's going to look really good. He's basically letting me do whatever I need to do to it with a small budget, and he's given me a few stipulations to work with. So I'm going to be changing all the bolts. We powder coated. All the golds are going to be going black. I'm going to be rebuilding the forks. The seals have been leaking. Doing boots, blacking out the front end, sandblasting, powder coating the handlebars. Probably keep it fairly straightforward. There seems to be a small oil leak. I'm going to go through, tighten everything up, and just basically give it a fresh look and a new paint job. So I'm working on right away. Going to start on that as well. So I'm excited because this is honestly my dream, is to build motorcycles. It's something I really love, I want to do. So I'm excited to have at least two small projects, one bigger one coming into next year, and hopefully have lots more to come. So I am going to start putting out videos frequently. They'll be kind of mixed. This one will have a small one, that one will have a small one, and then I'm going to dive into the big build in the new year. So make sure you guys subscribe, share the content if you like it, leave some comments, ask questions. Hopefully I can teach you guys something along the way as I learn myself. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.